Welcome to Algebra today. We'll be looking at evaluating expressions. It's important to know in algebra that we use letters and symbols to represent values, and we call those variables. So a variable represents an unknown value. Perhaps we use the letter X often, or maybe we use symbols like a smiley face, or we can use letters like A, B, or Z, just to name a few. And we call it substitution when we replace the variables with a number to solve a given expression or equation. Let's look at an example here. If x equals 1, what is x plus 3? A lot of us will be quick to figure out that the answer could be 4. And simply, we need to explain how we found that. We have our expression x plus 3, and we know that x is always equal to 1. We look to our expression and we substitute x equals 1 into our equation. So our expression, and we end up getting 4. So to solve this, we simply replace the x value with 1, making the problem 1 plus 3. And our final answer will be 4. Let's look at another example. We have 2x, and we know that x is equal to 3. Remember, if we have a problem like this, where we have 2x, this means 2 times x. So, if you were substituting in 3 for x, this is the same as saying 2 times 3. And we get the answer will be 6. Once we get into longer expressions, we always follow BEDMAS when evaluating expressions. Let's take a look at a bigger question. So example number 3. Perhaps we have 2x plus 8 divided by y, all divided by 11 minus 3x. And we're given information that where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. It's important that we remember our favorite word, BEDMAS. Or B stands for brackets, E stands for exponents, division, multiplication, adding, subtracting. So our first step is wherever we see x, we will replace the variable with its known value, 3. So let me rewrite our expression. However, instead of x, I will put 3. So this is 2 times 3 plus 8. Instead of y, we will replace that with 4. all divided by 11 minus 3 times x, which is 3. So now we need to solve using BEDMAS. Pardon, we need to simplify using BEDMAS. So if we follow the procedure, we look for brackets. Yes, I see brackets here, here, and here. However, we cannot simplify inside the brackets, so we simply move on to exponents. I do not see exponents. Next, we will move to division or multiplication. Some of you might be thinking we have a division here, but ultimately we have a larger problem where we divide the top and the bottom. It's important that we focus on simplifying the top, then the bottom, and then we can divide. So let's do so. So on top we have 2 times 3 plus 8 divided by 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 divided by 4 is 2. On the bottom we have 11 minus 9. Next we look to simplify the top. So can we add or subtract? 6 plus 2 is 8. 11 minus 9 is 2. And finally we can simplify by dividing 8 divided by 2, which we get is 4. So our fully simplified answer after using substitution is 4. Thanks for listening to today's video. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe or like this video. Take care.